If you think Motor City is cheap now, wait till you see what's coming. Off-plan rates here are about to shift the game. In this video, I'll show you exactly how much per square feet people are paying in the older, handed over sectors of Motor City, what the boulevard or premium segments are commanding, and what off-plan projects by premium developers like Sobha and Union Properties are offering right now. You'll know where the value is, where the upside is, and what to watch out for if you are planning to invest where the racing cars of Autodrome meet the calm and peaceful living. I have been tracking Dubai real estate for over 20 years, especially HNI investor grade projects. I have been studying about the developers, brokers, and have been in touch with all statistics that RERA and DLD has to provide. I've personally done deals here and I see how the per square feet pricing moves in real time. My goal is not just to show you the listing prices, but what people are actually paying for, what the rental yields may be, and what's realistic versus what's just hype. Here's what we'll cover. First, the older buildings which have already been handed over in Motor City and what PSF are they positioned at. Second, we'll discuss the detailed PSF comparison for off-plan projects, whether it's by developers like Sobha, Azizi, or government-backed developers like Union Properties, what their current PSF are and what are their projections. Lastly, I'll give my own personal verdict, going by the value you achieve by paying per square feet and where exactly is the sweet spot. Let me begin with giving you an overview of the Motor City district. As of mid-2025, Motor City recorded 5,300 sale transactions, a staggering 760% growth with a record value of 6.6 billion in transactional value, with an average PSF of 1,670 per square feet. Out of this, off-plan properties contributed a staggering 83% of the total transaction. And for reference, Dubai averages at just 70% of the off-plan share in the total transactions. Hence, we can see that Motor City has 20% more off-plan transactions than the rest of Dubai, which reflects a larger proportion of buyers are choosing off-plan rather than ready units, showing a strong investor confidence in future growth, specifically in the community developments. Secondly, Motor City is positioned as a growth market and an emerging hotspot rather than a stabilized rental yield market. Let's deep dive into the two segments of the Motor City real estate. First, the ready-to-move-in completed projects. Sectors highlighted in yellow, that is the Uptown Motor City, Green Community, properties on the Boulevard Road right in front of the spectacular Autodrome are the ready-to-move-in properties. These areas within the districts have a fully developed infrastructure. Projects here include units of all configuration ranging from studio, 1 bed, 2 bed. Ready-to-move-in properties here are on an average more than 10 years old and lack the new generation of amenities like golf simulators, multi-level parking, co-working space, or the lavish lobbies that you may get to see in the new age developments. Ready-to-move-in 2 bedrooms currently are being traded in the range of 1.4 to 1.9 million for a size range of 1100 to 1450 square feet, which brings our price per square feet to just 1250 AED. Now let's move on to a next section that all of you have been waiting for. Price per square feet of the off-plan properties here in Motor City. Currently in the active off-plan market, we have reputable private developers such as Sobha, Azizi, Prescott, as well as government-backed developers like the Union Properties. Most of the handovers in Motor City will be from Q4 2027 to the second half of 2028. This is when this district as well as your investments will completely mature. Let me remind you, there are no more unsold plots left in Motor City, so the inventory and launches you see this year are the last of it. Low-rise or standalone projects that are being developed by boutique developers such as Beverly Grade by HMB Homes, 15 Cascade, Azizi Beach Oasis come with a per square feet price tag of 1350 to 1500 dirhams with a ticket size of 1.5 to 1.7 million for a 2-bedroom. On the other hand, if you look at premium top-notch developers like Sobha and Union Properties, they are commanding a ticket size of 1.8 to 2.2 million for a 2-bedroom apartment, which brings our per square feet price to 1700 to 1900 dirhams. There is a 20 to 25% premium compared to the boutique low-rise developers. This premium is justified by their brand reputation that precedes their state-of-the-art construction technologies, track record of previously delivered communities all across the city. If you look at their projects like Sobha Orbis, Solis or Takaya and Mirdad by the Union Properties, they will offer fully developed communities for families to enjoy, which will also have more than 30 world-class amenities. After concluding and comparing prices of properties, whether they're ready to move in or off plan, we would like to conclude this video by sharing our views on where the sweet spot is. Before I go ahead, please allow me to clarify that this is not a sponsored video and our objective here is to deep dive into numbers and share insights based on statistics. I want all our viewers who are looking to invest in Motor City to give a strong consideration to Takaya project by Union Properties. Let me quickly list down my reasons for this suggestion. First of all, Union Properties is the master developer of the whole Motor City district, with more than 10,000 units handed over in the past. This ensures the most premium locations around the Autodrome. Secondly, it's a community development rather than a standalone tower, which means it makes it much more suitable for families and end users to live in. That not only guarantees a premium rental yield, but moreover ensures a higher occupancy rate. Lastly, if you look closely at the numbers, Takaya is priced at just 1600 to 1700 per square feet, which is almost as low as the boutique developers that we covered before. This positions it at an almost steal deal price with an enormous upside by the time this project gets delivered in the Q4 of 2027. If you are considering investing in Motor City, comment below what your budget is and I'll send you a custom report based on your requirements as well as a detailed plan for your investment. I thank you now for watching this video till the end, and if you found this helpful, please share it with someone who is planning to invest in the Motor City district of Dubai, and feel free to reach out to our team here at the Legacy Homes in case you're looking for a personal guidance. Next week, we'll be investigating the per square feet rates across various districts such as JVC versus Motor City versus Dubai Land, and which gives you the most upside. Until then, this is Shashank and I'm signing off.